In the image, a simplified model of a multi-stage V-type cylinder arrangement of a reciprocating compressor is depicted. There are 4 cylinders, namely the first, second, third, and fourth stage cylinders. A flexible coupling transmits drive to the compressor. The coupling is fixed on the crankshaft and also serves as flywheel. A fan, driven by V-belt transmission, is mounted on the rear end of the crankshaft and provides external cooling to the cylinders and coolers. First and second stage cylinders are of the trunk piston design, while the third and fourth stages are of the crosshead piston design. First and third stage cylinder cross sections are shown. This is an example of the first and third stage compressors working. Air from the atmosphere is sucked into the first stage cylinder. Compressed air is discharged from the first stage cylinder and routed through the intercooler to the suction of the second stage cylinder. Compressed air discharged from the second stage cylinder enters the third stage cylinder through an intercooler. Air is further compressed and discharged from the third stage cylinder and routed through an intercooler to the fourth stage cylinder. The final compression takes place in the fourth stage, from where discharged air is routed to an aftercooler. This video is a short example from the air compressor tutorial listed at Business Industrial Network. The actual tutorial provides much more detailed explanations with a large amount of interactivity. The tutorial provides a detailed understanding on different dynamic and positive displacement compressors. Extensive graphics and animations, along with step-by-step meticulous explanations with interactivity, provides a very deep understanding and high retention level. The tutorial stands out with its exclusive multimedia deliverables and is sure to provide an in-depth practical knowledge on compressors. For more information about this product and for all your training needs, visit bin95.com.